Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. At Questflow, we have two types of QR codes. Let's look at the first one, the smart sticker. You can find it right in the main menu of your projects. This sticker serves as the perfect entry point. You can print it out, stick it in a visible place, put it on flyers, or display it on a big screen during an event. All a user needs to do is point their smartphone camera, scan the code, and they instantly land inside your Quest bot. It's the fastest way to get your audience involved in a game, corporate event, or quiz. The sticker is generated automatically for your specific bot and can be downloaded in high-quality PNG format with just a single click. Now, let's move on to the most exciting part, the second type. This is the QR code logic block itself, located inside our visual drag and drop builder. This is exactly what allows you to create thrilling scenarios for city quests, team building events, or interactive learning. How does it work in practice? Imagine this. You hide a real-world object with a QR code or a secret word at a specific location. The participant reaches the required stage, finds the object, and scans the code. The Questflow bot instantly verifies the result, notifies them of their success, and unlocks the next stage. What if they can't scan the code? No problem. The player can simply send the secret code word directly to the chat, and the mechanic will work exactly the same way. To level up the gamification, we've added a flexible reward system. In the block settings, you can specify how many points a team or player will receive for completing this stage. On top of that, the platform allows you to set up extra bonus points for those who finish the fastest. Notice how simple and visual the scenario logic looks on the canvas. You place the start block and then build a sequence of the required QR codes, the first, the second, the third, connecting them step by step. The bot operates incredibly smartly. At each stage, it will wait for the participant to scan the exact code or type the exact word you've set. The system manages the entire progression on its own. By the way, this feature works incredibly well when paired with geolocation verification, but I'll cover the GeoPoint block in detail in our next video. Creating hybrid quests with Questflow is fast and exciting. Give it a try, build your first scenarios, and if you have any questions or need help setting up custom mechanics, send your ideas our way. We are always here to help and will gladly bring your project to life.